Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Today I finally got a new video for all of you guys. It's a colorful collection of footage from the last few weeks when I worked on my little spring update from my Etsy shop. We will be unboxing some new products, take product pictures, create some new stationery for the shop, and open up my lovely order from Lee Alexson. She is a fellow art YouTuber and I absolutely love her videos and her art. And I treated myself by buying some stickers from her shop. But first, let's unbox my newest addition to my shop. It has to be my absolute favorite of this update. And these are some art print postcards of my tarot card designs. I made 4 of them into postcards. They are now up in my Etsy shop as a 2-part set with the sun and the moon card, or the Ace of Cups and the Magician, both with the coffee theme as a set. You can also get all 4 cards in a set at a discount price. The coffee themed card has to be my absolute favorite. I will leave a link to all the new products in the description down below. The next addition to my Etsy shop is the 2023 calendar sticker set. I made some new illustrations for this one, and I love how they fit to the style of the 2022 stickers, but are also unique. Here you can see me create the Dark Academia memo pad designs for the journaling kit printable. You can also get the memo pads as a separate printable set in my shop. I also added a few more digital printables to my Etsy shop, like my flower sticker sheet, a Dark Academia sticker sheet, a spring journaling kit and a spring vintage themed undated calendar. I did focus more on printables this shop update because it makes keeping up with the shop easier for myself, as well as you all don't have to wait so long for your shipment to arrive. Now let's get into the unboxing part of this studio vlog. I got myself some sticker goodies from Lee Alexson here on YouTube. I absolutely love her videos and her art. She's one of my favorite creators to watch at the moment. Her videos always put me in such a good mood and make me really happy. And I absolutely love her art style, so I decided to treat myself for finishing art school by getting a few of her stickers. I am absolutely loving her tiger and leopard art. All the cats she draws are I really love them. I think they always look so fluffy in a way. I don't know how to describe it, but oh, I don't know. It's just her cat drawings always make me so happy. So that's why I bought the rainbow tiger hat as well as the set of wild cut illustrations. Now I only have to figure out where to put them. I am always a bit scared of wasting a sticker. That's why it will probably take me a while to figure out where to put them. But I am sure I will find a special home for these lovely little works of art. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up and a comment would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.